Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Bastrop local and long-distance movers near me. Imagine shifting to a new country or a new state and transporting all your stuff to a different location. If you think you can do it all by yourself, maybe you should think about it again. You require a team who can handle packing, loading, unloading, unpacking, and settling your new abode. With 3 Movers at Bastrop, Texas, you can relax while we manage everything for you. Our team at 3 Movers will be available to answer your queries 24/7, all through the moving process. We do not delay or cancel your scheduled move and ensure that all your items are shifted without damage. Hiring a mover for a short distance move might sound unnecessary for some, but believe us, you need help from professionals to handle everything from packing to unpacking. 3 Movers in Bastrop, Texas understands all this and makes sure that your moving experience remains stress-free. We will pack all the stuff you want to take with you and transport it safely to your new place. After that, our team will also unpack everything and place it carefully wherever you want. Don't worry about the mess created during the whole process. Our team will take care of it and clean up before leaving the place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bastrop moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.